Small packages have big impact, but slow deliveries, lost parcel, and hidden fees can quietly drain 10 to 15% of your monthly revenue and frustrate customers. Teams often spend hours of chasing carriers instead of growing the business. ForceGet makes parcel shipping simple and reliable. We handle pickups, route optimizations, and end-to-end deliveries across DHL, FedEx, UPS, even USPS. With special discounted rates that you save hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. With real-time tracking, DDP options, local and internationally, we give you transparent pricing at cost. Our clients reduce delivery issues by 90% and always know where their packages is. No lost parcel, no hidden fees, no juggling carriers. Every shipment is tracked, managed, and delivered on time. Partner with ForceGet and keep every delivery on track while protecting revenue and customer trust. Especially for e-commerce, Amazon FBM, customers are very sensitive with their product receiving time. So contact the ForceGet for free auditing for your pricing and your operations.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.